Thank you to our Italian customers for selecting EA320F outdoor LED display. EA320F outdoor LED display features front-mounted 320 by 320mm LED modules, an IP65 waterproof rating, and EagerLED's unique protection technology, ensuring stable operation in all weather conditions. Each cabinet is equipped with 4 wing-shaped fans for rapid heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting and stable operation of the display. EA320F outdoor LED display boasts a lightweight and compact design, making it easy to install. The removable rear cover allows for front and rear accessible access to the LED modules, power supply, receiving cards, and cables, significantly improving ease of use and maintenance. With a brightness of up to 8,000 candelas per square meter, the display offers clear, vibrant images that easily capture the public's attention, making it an ideal choice for outdoor visibility.